So here we have the Volkswagen Golf R-Line Automatic on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. As you can see, you get plenty of boot space along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. It'll also show you what gear this car is in over there as well, so we're in park at the moment. And on the right-hand side, we have the speedometer, as well as a digital readout for the speedometer and the fuel gauge. You'll see in the middle, we have a second digital readout for that speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed in that section by using buttons on the steering wheel. So you have your driving data menu. So you could have average fuel consumption, for example, there. But there are other menus available as well. So they include assist systems, navigation, audio, your telephone, vehicle status, and then back to where we started. And the buttons that I was using to do that are over here on the right hand side. The last piece of information up there is the mileage for the car, and you can see that at the bottom right section. That's 20,301. So also out on the steering wheel, we have the stereo controls, which are continued over on the left hand side. We have cruise control as well. If you hit this button here in the middle, once you set cruise control, this car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding itself up and slowing itself down automatically. Really clever system, and we have done a video showing how that works, which you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. Over in the center, we have the stereo. We have satellite navigation. Again, there are videos showing how that works. And over this side, we've got the radio, which is the menu we're on at the moment. You can see we have AM, FM, and DAB radio all available. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. Nothing is connected at the moment, but there are plenty of ways to listen to it, as you can see. And they include Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls. At the bottom here, we have the phone icon there, and that is where you would pair up your phone. Below that, we have the air conditioning. So you can select the temperature, the fan speed, the direction of the air. Air conditioning is on when that light shows, so you can turn it off again from there, of course. You can turn the whole system off from here. We've got a heated driver's seat and a heated passenger seat, both with 3 different heat settings on each. We have this storage section, and within there we have the USB input. Then we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We can turn the parking sensors on and off from here. Over on the right hand side, we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off now. And this one changes the driving modes of the car. So you can go from eco to normal, sport, or individual. And under individual, you'll be able to customize these settings. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the sunroof just here. So you have a blind that will open manually, and then you can open the sunroof section itself electronically with the button that I just pressed. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.